Those who go to us, all those who go to us, I thank you, glory to your name. And the mercy and faithfulness, God and the nation, say, what is your God?
Their idols are made of silver and gold. They were made out of human hands. They have mouths but cannot speak. They have eyes but cannot see. They have ears but cannot hear. They have noses but cannot smell.
7, 8. They have hands but they cannot feel. They have feet but they cannot walk. They can't even make a sound with their throats. Those who make idols end up like them. So does everyone who trusts them.
Israel, trust the Lord. He's your helper and your shield. Descendants of Aaron, trust the Lord. He's your helper and your shield. Those who fear the Lord, trust the Lord. He's your helper and your shield.
12 and 13. The Lord who was always thinking of us will bless us. He will bless the descendants of Israel. He will bless the descendants of Aaron. He will bless those who fear you, Lord. He will bless those who least important to the Lord.
14, 15, 16, 17. And the Lord continue to bless you and your children. You will be blessed. He has given the earth to the descendants of Adam. Those who are dead do not praise the Lord. Those who below the sounds of the grave. Hallelujah.